Today we're going to do a Hungarian goulash. Yes, a Hungarian goulash. It might sound very meaty, but it's not. We're going to make that completely plant-based. So it's a Hungarian goulash with beans. Okay, I'm in the garden. The weather is beautiful, but it's gray. It's overcast and full with light nevertheless, so I really appreciate that. Oh God. Good day, beautiful people. Today we're going to do a Hungarian goulash. Leek. Right. Paprikas. Okay, welcome back. So let me just introduce you to the ingredients. This is paprika or bell peppers I cut. We have leek, onions, garlic, and some green pepper. And we also have celery. And this is the bean that I've been steaming. Let me just make that a little bit sharper so you can see. Yeah. And this is the water that steamed the beans. So I'm going to use that as well as a part of the sauce. Coconut oil. This is tomato sauce. And I have a surprise for you. This is coconut milk. So 100% coconut milk. I have some sea salt. And this is what the Hungarian typically use in goulash. And it is spicy. It's a sort of paprika paste. Okay, so let me just go over to the pot. So here we start the fire and it's going fantastically. It's really hot. I'm going to throw in the coconut oil right now and then we start. Okay, so the coconut oil is going to melt in steadily. Just going to add the onions. Can add the tomato and stuff like that. Just add all the vegetables and let them saute. No, it's okay. So now everything is cooking. Finally the fire gets going. And we just need to saute this. And then we're going to add the tomato sauce and cook that down a little bit. Okay, so now that things are sauteed a bit and I'm here chatting away, I'm just going to add the tomato paste. Very rich tomato paste. And the trick of this is You need to let the tomato paste cooked out a bit so that it will have a wonderful taste. It's almost as if you're sauteing the tomato paste just like you do the vegetables. Okay. And never let it burn. It should always be perfect. Okay. Wonderful. Okay, good. So that's going to cook. And as soon as that is ready, I'll just add the other ingredients and let you see. Okay, so now it's sauteed a bit. I'm going to add this. I'm going to add the beans. And of course the beans are partially steamed. And then just mix that in. This is the way I do it. And then I'm going to introduce a magic ingredient. Very surprising. Coconut milk. Soothing coconut milk. So, I love mixing coconut milk with tomato paste because it gives a nice flavor. Many people don't do it. I love doing it. And then here I will add a little bit of the bean water just to reduce the thickness. And now this, I will let it cook for about 30 minutes. I'll add a little bit of the Hungarian paprika paste. It's slightly spicy. I'll just add a little bit. Taste it. It's not cool. Yeah. Just yeah. Okay, so I'll come back when things settle down and start to, when it's simmered down. As you can see, there's a lot of smoke, so the smoke is getting into it, and that is going to enhance the taste. So we come back when that is finished. Okay, so now I'm going to add some salt while it's cooking now. Wow, it's doing exactly what I needed to do. So just add a little bit more salt. I did add a little bit earlier. Seems like it wasn't enough. And then voila. Now we come back when it's finished. So here we are. It's finished. Let me just put these beautiful gentlemen that grace my house in bale. So this wonderful Luke and Maurice and ourselves. Say hello to the camera.
Hi everybody.
Fantastic. Okay, so let me just open the pot for you to see. And this is it. Nice, rich, thick. I should take the camera closer, babes. You can stir it while I take the camera closer. So there it is. Yes, just share 1 spoon for everyone. Maurice, put your plate. And I want you to taste it and then you tell me how it is. Just go ahead and taste.
Okay. Yeah.
Because the proof is in the taste. And this is my version of Hungarian goulash. But this is completely plant-based.
Smells delicious.
With coconut milk. Taste it. Go ahead and taste it because you need to say to the camera how it is. Oh, you need a spoon. Okay. No. Okay. Okay.
It's very hot.
Yeah, let's try it.
Smells delicious.
And so we're going to have that with red rice.
There's so many.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
So I take some rice. It's fresh, I like it. If it's not good, say it's not good, huh?
Very nice.
Very
I
nice?
like the cocoa.
Okay, fantastic.
You can smell the cocoa.
Okay, and so I get a thumbs up. It's very nice, they said.
Very good.
Okay, thank you. Until next time, remember to subscribe. Thank you very much. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.